In today's digital-first world, cybersecurity is no longer optional. It's essential. From corporate breaches to identity theft, the threat landscape keeps expanding, and so do the companies defending our digital lives. But here's the big question. Is now the right time to invest in cybersecurity stocks? Let's explore 5 key players and break down their strengths, weaknesses, and market valuations. The cybersecurity sector features standout innovators. In this breakdown, we'll take a closer look at Okta, identity management, Elastic, search and observability powered by AI, Palantir, government-focused AI analytics, Cloudflare, web security and performance, and Zscaler, secure access and cloud protection. First up is Okta, a leader in identity and access management. In the fourth quarter of fiscal year 2025, they posted over $682 million in revenue, and for the first time achieved GAAP profitability, a major milestone for any tech company. But it's not all smooth sailing. A recent security breach impacted customer confidence, and concerningly, the CEO sold off his shares, followed by other insiders. For a security firm, that's a red flag some investors can't ignore. And here's something to watch. Okta's PE ratio is sky high at 2,448, reflecting extremely high investor expectations. That means the market believes in their future growth. But it also means there's little room for error in 2025. Next, we have Elastic, known for its powerful search analytics and AI-driven anomaly detection. Their cloud revenue grew 26% year over year, showing strong traction in cloud-native environments. However, Elastic isn't without challenges. The stock is known for its volatility, and it faces stiff competition from bigger players like Splunk and Datadog. With a negative PE ratio of -60, Elastic is still not profitable. That means investors are betting on future performance. But until they turn a profit, it remains a speculative play in 2025. Moving on to Palantir, named synonymous with national security and big data. They become a go-to provider for government agencies, with government revenue surging 40% and 2025 sales projected to hit $3.76 billion. But there's a flip side. Analysts have raised valuation concerns, suggesting the stock may be overhyped, especially given its reliance on federal contracts. Any shift in government spending could hit them hard. Palantir's current PE ratio is around 493, which signals investor confidence in long-term growth. But in the short term, this could lead to volatility if the company doesn't continue to outperform. Let's talk Cloudflare, a company protecting websites and applications across the globe. In 2024, they saw a 29% increase in revenue, and were recently named a leader in web application firewalls by Forrester. But here's the catch. Cloudflare isn't profitable yet. Their net margin is still negative, and with a PE ratio of -466, it shows the company is burning more than it earns. Investors are betting big on the future, but short-term returns may be limited unless they hit profitability targets. And then there's Zscaler, a dominant force in cloud-native security. Their latest quarterly revenue topped $647 million, with a 115% customer retention rate. That's an incredibly strong signal of product stickiness. Still, profitability isn't expected until 2026, and recent insider selling has raised eyebrows among market watchers. The company's PE ratio stands at negative 1,946, which is deeply negative. It highlights both significant investment in growth and lack of earnings. Investors looking at Zscaler in 2025 should be patient and watch financials closely. Cybersecurity is booming, And these 5 companies are at the forefront of that wave, but their PE ratios show a deeper story. Some are riding high on hype and future potential. Others are still climbing toward profitability. And a few may be priced too aggressively for current performance. Remember, high PE doesn't always mean strong, and negative PE doesn't always mean weak. It all comes down to execution in 2025. Do your research, diversify, consult a professional. This video isn't financial advice, just a spotlight on 5 cybersecurity innovators reshaping how we defend our data. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more. And hey, drop a comment below. Got a cybersecurity stock you believe in? Want us to dive deeper into Okta, Palantir, Cloudflare, or any of the others? Let's talk about it.